other side. We did try the roosters, they did nothing. So a mini is $10, and we're only in at a cent, but look at this, 30 and 22. You can get some big pearls and orbs on a 1 cent denom. It's amazing. Okay, we got $20 a mini, mini party. Let's go, baby, go, go, go. We want to fill up. We want that $15,000 grand. All right, we just hit that one. So let's do another corner. I want a corner right here. Let's fill up a couple more. Oh, did you see that liner? That was 50. All right. Oh, good. 4 minis. Yay, I love ya. We got over 100, guys. How about one more? Ooh, 30. 30. This is on a penny denom, $1.50. I see more people hit high on $1.50, 1 cent denom. Let's do one more. I'm really happy. That's it, guys. No problem. Wow. Very good. I'm glad I left the roosters. I'll go back to those in a minute. So cool. Yeah. All on $1.50 bet. I've had $150 pearl before. Or was it a tiki part? Look at that guy. 185. Nice. I needed that because I lost earlier. Isn't that gorgeous? Amazing. Amazing. I love it. It's so cool. All right. Take a break. Thanks for joining me. Happy holidays. Let's have some fun. Ready at bets. Here's 5 cents. I tried 6.25. Let's go down to 2.50. See what we get. All right, $5 bet at $1 denom. All right, we got a little bit over our bet. We did that again. We got 16. I would love to get those dolphins. Wouldn't you love it? We're trying. Oh, the dolphins are being naughty. All right. Let's try the $10 real quick. Oh, that would have been pretty. All right, that's not going to work. You can tell. All right. Last one. Here, nothing on the 2 cent nor the 1 cent did not work. We were hoping to get the moons or get something. It's being naughty. We're going to have to move off. One more at 3.75. And let's go to 6.25. That's good, 35, but we need more than that. Come on. Oh, the moons, please. Let's go to 12.50. Oh, no. One more. Let's just try one more. Oh, no. It just doesn't want to give me the moons, honey bunny. Oh. No, that's okay. All right, we tried. So back down to 125. We're the high stake and we just missed it by 1 chip. Try it again. We're going to go to 5 and try it. Well, maybe we'll try a different deal. Not in a 2 cent, $3 bet, 2 cent deal. This is fun, isn't it? I love this. Let's see if we get anything groovy. All right, 46, we like it. I love the cases. Retrigger is the best. With 3 more, come on, baby. Uh-oh. Well, we have 46. Last one, everyone. Whoa, nice. Okay, that's $15. We only need 6 more to get the 15,000. What do you think? All right. right, the minor is 100. Mini is 20. Let's get a couple more chips. Give me another. We want them. Come on, hit this. Hit it, hit it. Oh, I saw a $22 one there. All right. It likes the right side. Let's fill her up on both sides. Go. 2 more. Drop 1 more. Good. Okay, let's drop another one. Come on, baby. Let's do it. Boop, 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 boop. There we go. Oh, I didn't do it. But it's time to do it. It's not a lot, but you add it to 51 and that adds up. Okay. We got 84, thank you. See if it goes back in. Try it again. 10 cents, 250 bet. It's not doing that great. All right, let's go up to 5 and see what's going on. All right, we got 5 back. Can we get the cases? We need those cases. Let's go to 751s. Okay, didn't quite get our money back. All right, take it back down to 5. All right. And down to 250. Oh, won't do it, darn. All right, let's go to 1 penny and try the dollar bet. Go up to 150, 2 cents, and we did get a little bit of money. $3 bet. Sometimes you'll get in at that same bet. It doesn't seem to want to. So we will move off. And down to $1. But they seem dead, guys. The roosters are dead too. Let's go up to $10 once. It's supposed to hit on a big number, right? Yeah, we want that major, don't we? So we're going to stay at 5 cents for a minute. Might move it up. All right, let's go to, hold it, 250 one more time. 375. No, guys, I think it's not going to hit. No, let's try 625 real quick. Nothing, darn. Okay, no. 10 cents did not do anything last time. Just doesn't look like it wants to hit. I played my husband's favorite bet. 1 cent, 150. I think that's his favorite, or his luckiest. Now I got in over on the tiki fire a couple times and did really well, and now the whole area is dead. But I got some moons. That's pretty amazing. Although this is it. Ouch. We got $10. Oh my gosh. That's 25. It gave us back our money, but it's just not hitting well, guys. Too bad, huh? $5, $1 doing that. Too bad. Let's get some moons, please. Oh, it's not going to do it, darn. All right, guys, it's not working. Go 10. You have to move back. Come on, baby. $10 for a $5 bet. Oh, nice. Look at that, 50. 250. Wow, nice. She's going to have 300. All right, boom. Let's go. Whoa, 10, nice. Go to 250. Okay, let's see if we can do it. I'd love to have all of those twos across. We'll see. Wow. Oh, haha, major. Go, go, that's nice. That's nice. The major was 670. We got 476, thank you. Again. Okay, 528. Thank you. Ooh, that is great. All right, let's go to 750. Let's go to 1250.